Good morning and welcome to another video here from Top Thrill Tourist, and today I'm on my own. We are at Pleasure Beach and it's opening day. So yeah, Emma has decided to go to Madrid because she didn't want a wet, cold opening weekend, but blue skies. And I believe it is raining in Madrid, so you lost out there. But no, we're here, opening day. It's going to be a short little vlog. Just see what's new. Got on a few rides, probably have a few beveraginos. And yeah, and I'm actually here with Alicia. Say hello.
Hi.
Are you looking forward to opening day?
Now it's saying that it's open,
yeah? Yeah, it did say before that nothing was open, but it looks like everything's open.
Yeah,
Nothing's going wrong yet. Sun is shining,
it's
raining in Madrid.
glorious.
And yeah, so we'll get on and we'll bring you on. So we just come through the fountains. The fountain show is on. We've got the spectacular songs there, so I don't know if you can hear me, but we'll walk away. But as you walk past here, up past River Caves, we have some construction boards. What is going on? No, I believe it's been knocked down, but what will reappear? There's so many rumours. A tilt coaster, a dive coaster. We just seen Boy, he thinks it's going to be a gyro swing.
I thought you meant pirate ship.
No, gyro swing.
You meant like that.
Yeah, gyro swing.
I thought you meant pirate ship.
No. So yeah, that's something new. We will have to keep an eye on of what will be going on there. So yeah. Oh, I hate this. Hell. But yeah, we're up here and we'll see what else is new. Maybe do a coaster. As we just come up to Infusion and Big Dipper, the next thing is Grand Prix has fully gone. And that is a big area. What are they putting there? So it looks like we knew this was coming down anyway. And again, what will be going here? Are Pleasure Beach going to add a few more rides to the park by the looks of it, or are they updating stuff? Don't know. But it looks weird. It looks very open. You don't realise how big it is without the spiral. But yeah, it's all gone now. So we come back around to the front, and another big observation of something happening at the park. It's Ice Blast. It has a load of construction around it, and they are renaming this to Launchpad. And I believe they're updating the system or something, but be interested to see how that is, see if it's any better. Will you go on it this time?
It looks so much bigger.
It looks bigger.
Yeah, I can't go on it, but I won't be happy about it.
Whenever it'll open.
I hate jet towers.
It's not a drop, it's a shot.
Okay, I'll go on it.
Yeah. And then we're going to go into Kiss Me Quick in a second. And Valhalla's got the waterfalls on. Just come to the bar at FY4. Got some new beers in. Got Brooklyn IPA, Peretti. And we got Kronenberg. It's good. And you got your cider still, Emma. You got your blackcurrant one. But yeah, I'm impressed by that. So we've sat and start again. So we sat and had a beverageino, if you didn't notice with that one. We've had some food. It was nice. Sat in the sun. It is weird that it's sunny at opening. I'm loving it. So we decided let's go and do a coaster or two. So we're now heading over to Icon, the queue.
It's got a massive queue.
It's not that bad. It's alright. It's not out of the gate.
No.
So it's not out of the gate. Let's go on that. Do our first coaster of the season.
At 3 o'clock.
At 3 o'clock. there's still track of Grand Prix around past the side of Icon, but the booby wall is still there. Will that still be there? Will that be moving? Or will we be getting rid of it? What do you think of the booby wall? Oops. So we just done Icon, and that was lovely. It got a little bit cold on there, the wind, but no, it was nice to get back on a ride. I need to lose a bit of weight. They stapled me a bit, so I need to lose some weight. But no, I really enjoyed that, and we're gonna go and ride Wallace because that's what we're here for, to do rides. But yeah, second ride. It's 4 o'clock. Closing in an hour.
Yeah, it's not got long.
Just on Wallace. That was lovely. It's always good Wallace.
I normally sit on the other side. I normally sit on like this side.
The left side.
I sit on this side.
Right side.
So I get to see all like the village. And
Yeah.
everything.
Normally my fat head's in the way, but no, it was really nice. Good way it is. It'd be interesting to see if they add any scenes or anything from the new Wallace and Gromit film.
They seem to be hinting that something is coming.
Yeah, so that'll be good. Well, we're not sure what to do now. We've got about 40 minutes left in park.
Half an hour left in the
Half an
park.
hour. So we'll see. Let's have a little wander around. See if I'll go and get a bit of footage of the best flat ride in the UK that is going. You know. It is brilliant. So we're here at the best flat ride in the UK, which is closed, and of course it is Skyforce. Yeah, it's closed for this year. At the moment they've not said what's happening. Seats are off. They're actually in there. I'll show you them in a minute. But yeah, I'm gutted. It's always fun getting that and getting it spinning. So yeah, you will be missed, Skyforce. But what will happen to it? So yeah, in the shop are the seats. What will happen to him? So we just had a lovely little ride on Avalanche. First time me and Alicia have been on Avalanche. What did you think?
Oh, it was great. I've not been on Avalanche since about 2016. Like, I've not been on it for 2 years, and that was really good.
It was good. A couple of the public that were on it were questionable. We're doing my head in, let's just say that. But no, it was a good ride. Only on one train, but enjoyed it. Nice little end to the day. So I'm going to end this vlog here. I did say we might look at some merch, but there really isn't much new merch. I might go and get a quick montage of it and put it in at the end, or it might be somewhere. But there's not much new merch. There's some nice big coats. Yeah, but I've got to say I've had a lovely bloody day here at Pleasure Beach. It's been a lovely day. We've had a chill day, but
lovely, and the park looks so nice. Just gonna get some videos.
yeah, go and get some videos. But yeah, I've really enjoyed it. It's good to be back. Good to be back doing some coasters. We only did a few, but really enjoyed it. So yeah, that's the end of our vlog today here at opening at Pleasure Beach. If you have liked this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. And we'll see you next time.